What's up, you guys? We're working on Tyrone. We're going to change the thermostat, which is right here. Figured I'd make a quick little video. Yeah, I got the B&M transmission dipstick. I'm about to change that connector. That'll be in a future video. What you're going to do is you're going to do these two little bolts here. And it's going to leak a bit. Some people say if you have an extra set of hands, you can actually catch the fluid and put it back in. I ain't worried about it. I got 2 gallons in the trunk. Bolt number 1. Bolt number 2. There goes all the fluid. Look at that. You see how it's leaking? This one is stuck open. Let me get a screwdriver. No, it's completely broken. Never mind, guys. No wonder it quit working. You take your new one, ram it back in there, just like that. Now that I've drained half of that shit out. Some more. Click. Hey. Click. Make sure we're good and tight. And that's it. That's how you change the thermostat. Hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to turn on notifications. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.